OMNIacs. I am in no mood for a video this evening. I don't know if you've heard, many of you have, but there was a crazy shooter at UNLV. I literally got a phone call from my daughter when shots started, jumped in my car, ran down there, ran into the buildings, ran all over the campus looking for a shooter or not. I would have tackled his ass if I would have found him. Turned out she was fine. She ran out of the building while I was on the phone with her across the street. I picked her up, but I am in no mood to do any more of a video than the one I just did for you right now. And that's about it for me. God bless anybody who didn't make it out of that building, to the parents, whoever, but thank God my children, Mikey and Natalie, are both safe. They both go to that school. They were both there. No problems, but I'm about done. I just wanted to mention it. Gold is neutral Omni, but I am going to be a buyer of dips in gold if I can get a fill. And that's about it for me for this evening. Thank you for tuning in. God bless once again, and I'll see you.